Christine. I'm here to do my Owlcrate unboxing with Nicole and Cameron and Razzle if they show up. Yep. That's staying in. Okay, open. It's already undone.
Well, how do I open it?
Oh, this is staying in. This is too fun.
Okay, you got some cards?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
It's epic, and I'm not looking at it, but it's a card. I wonder. Cool. Anyways.
Put some pin.
Oh, the pin that matches the card. Skull head. Okay.
Put some Harry Potter thing on.
Okay. Look for the rare figures. Little pop vinyl. Cool. Stop it.
Oh, we should open it?
Yeah. Okay, let's see who I got. Oh, looks like Hermione.
I don't know who that is.
It's from Harry Potter.
I haven't watched that.
You haven't read that.
No, I intend to. This thing.
Hey. Oh, that's for January's.
Oh.
It's a classic remix is January's box.
A book.
There's nothing else in there?
There's some more.
The book's supposed to come last.
Well, the book came not last. Aren't you gonna present the... Okay, here's a pin.
Thank you. Lord of the Rings book pin made for you by Jane Mount.
Hey, we need these. Some coasters.
Oh, Game of Thrones. That's cool. Cameron,
what?
Please stop. Oh, cool. Fire and Blood, Winter is Coming, Hear Me Roar, and Ours is the Fury. Let's see. Sorry about the glare. I haven't read Game of Thrones yet, so. Yes, Razzle. I know. There's Razzle.
And then you got a sticker, and it says, "I'd rather die in an adventure than live standing still." Well, that's pretty deep. That could be like an Instagram caption.
V.E. Schwab, A Darker Shade of Magic is where it's from.
And some card that doesn't say anything.
Let me see.
Oh, it doesn't say anything.
Or was this Lucy from Narnia? And the book with the bookmark is Of Fire and Stars, which is not the book I was thinking of. By, let's see who it is. Audrey Colehurst. Yeah. Open that up. So you want to have a cat. Sorry, this is frazzled, but that's what you get when you have kids. Nice.
You have a bookmark?
Yep. An Atmosphere and Romantic Debut.
Dear Owlcrate readers.
No, you don't need to read the... No. Thank you.
It's reading pretty good.
You don't need to read the card.
It's hers. Some
A
card I
letter
was
from-
supposed to read.
Letter from the author. And there's the book. So that is the December Owlcrate, and since my kids are off for holidays, I don't know how many videos I'm going to be able to get without them in it.
Yo, Daddy needs to buy my bus pass, but if he
I hope
doesn't buy it soon, then a lot of videos.
Stop. I hope everybody has an awesome Christmas, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye.